Hey everyone, Denise here from Sewlimitless, and in today's video I'm just going to show you real quickly a couple of things that I've done recently, what I'm working on now. Let's get to it. So one of the things that I finished in March, I believe, was, let me show you, was this pattern here. It's the J. Eleanor pull-on jeans, and this was a Minerva project. I will put up pictures, of course. This is a jeggings fabric. It's I was afraid it was going to be too stretchy, but it actually ends up being perfect for this pattern and for this style of pants. I don't wear leggings a lot, but these jeans are amazing. They have real pockets in the back and faux pockets in the front. You just do the stitching around, but the pockets are real in the back, and they are super, super comfortable. That pattern is still available, so it's something that you can pick up if you like, but it's really good. This is not the first time I've made it. I have used a stretch woven, which is actually what the pattern is designed for. And those were also super comfortable. So it's definitely worth looking into if you're interested in that. This is something I just finished about a week or so ago. I call it my people top. I bought this fabric during Black History Month. I believe I did a video on when I got this fabric. The pattern I used is a 30-year-old pattern. It's from 1992, and it's this top here. It's just like a loose fitting, sort of oversized top. Now, this pattern calls for shoulder pads. I did not put shoulder pads in it. It's a Butterick 6222. It's such a classic style, though, that it's, you know, it's not even, you wouldn't know it was 30 years old. The only, except for the shoulder pads. Like I said, I did not put those in. But the only thing I felt that it really needs is pockets. So I've cut pockets out, and I've not had a chance yet to attach them, but I've got them here. So I will add the pockets on to the top, and it's going to be a nice, like, oversized shacket, like an overshirt type of thing with short sleeves. It's super comfortable, and like I said, it just needed some pockets, so I'm going to add those in, and that'll be that for this particular one. But otherwise, everything else is done. It comes together super fast. So if you happen to have this 30-year-old pattern, it's worth it. And the next thing is these jeans. Sorry, I'm stretching all over the place. These jeans, which I've literally just finished today, and they probably still have threads hanging out all over them. These are a stretch cotton sateen that I had in my stash, and the pattern, it's the Angela Wolf skinny jean pattern. They're not really skinny unless you want them to be, but it's a really nice pattern. This is sort of like a wearable muslin that I've made, and what I'm going to do is make changes to the pattern. These are good enough to wear for now, but I will make changes. I think I need to go down a size, and I really don't think I needed to make any changes to the actual pattern, because I think it's that good that I could probably just get the right size and make them. So I'm going to go back, and I've got 2 more pieces of stretch denim that I'm going to use. So I'm going to make some changes, and I may go ahead and do a muslin first just to be sure, see how it works out. And then I'll make a couple more pairs of these. But this is from her class. You pay for the class, and you get the pattern is included. And I can leave a link down below if you're interested in checking that out. But the class is live now. It won't be live when you watch it, but you can join the class actually at any time. You can go ahead and purchase and join the class at any time. And with videos, you get a lot more instruction. I wasn't sure about that, but with watching these videos, you get so much more instruction. Even just the little things that you weren't sure about, or when you're reading instructions, you can actually see her construct the jeans. And so it's really, really good. And she also is pretty easy to get a hold of too. So if you really have questions, you can always email and ask. But yeah, so those I just finished. And I am going to work on some more jeans for that. Let me know in the comments, do you all sort of let your sewing space get crazy messy or anything like that? To me, my place is a mess right now. I can do like a quick little video to insert and show you. I have piles of fabric and patterns all over the place right now, and it's kind of driving me crazy. But now that I've finished the jeans, I've actually vacuumed the floor, and I like to clean up after each project so that the next one I start, everything's sort of clean and put away. Let me know if you all do anything like that, because I don't like to sew or create stuff in a really messy space. It just really bothers me. So let me know how you all handle that situation. But that is pretty much it. I did not get a lot of sewing done March, April, or like the first part of April. So I've got some other projects lined up. Please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Also, subscribe to my channel, because then you will be notified the next time I upload a new video. Hit that notification bell so you really don't miss anything. And yeah, that's everything for this time around. I thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next video. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.